Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta Lavleesh. How are you all? Others are not joining. They did not get the message or what? Beta Lavleesh, you were asking for the deleted syllabus, no?
Yes, ma'am.
I am sharing the screenshot with you in your class. Right?
Okay.
Hmm. Did you got it? So did you get it? Sorry. Okay, it is going. Wait. It is taking a little bit time. Let others join.
Okay.
Huh. But I have shared now. I have shared the deleted syllabus with you people.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ, welcome बच्चे. Why these children are not joining? I am not able to understand. Okay, are you prepared for the revision class? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we? We will start with civics, right? Or you want history?
Ma'am,
Class?
history.
History? Fine. Okay, now they are coming. Ujjwal has joined.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Back to back to black.
Good morning. Good
Good,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I think it is becoming a little hectic for you to join back to back classes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And ma'am, there is confusion also.
Why? What confusion?
Ma'am, like Akash sir, he didn't know the timetable, so he sent his link according to the previous timetable on at 9:55. So the class was
Got
half.
little late. Got little late. No, it's okay. No issues. No issues. No issues. I think Shivani ma'am shared the timetable, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Pavni
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pavni.
Good morning.
Good morning.
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Bachche. Good morning, Aksada. Beta, somebody was asking for questions, I believe. I think it is Puneet. Puneet, were you asking for the questions? Is Puneet there in the meeting?
No, ma'am.
Acha, Puneet was not asking. Then I think
Ma'am, he's not.
Ma'am is not in the meeting.
Puneet is not in the meeting. Class,
No, ma'am.
sorry, screenshot. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Children, I have shared a screenshot with you in all the 3 class groups which are there. That images of the deleted syllabus that you have for your finals, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
fine. Yes.
ma'am,
It says, Hanji Dhananjay, bolo bache.
ma'am, in history part is written that any one out of these two chapter 4 and 5, ma'am.
और deleted portion में लिखा है complete section. Both the chapters have been deleted for this particular session, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Chaliye. Then coming to geography. Drainage chapter is completely deleted. Only the
मैम
map.
हिस्ट्री में कितना
बेटा हिस्ट्री में फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड चैप्टर्स आएंगे बेटा, ठीक है?
ओके मैम
हाँ. Then in geography you have population completely deleted, right? And drainage chapter, only the maps part you will be getting. Rest of the chapter has been deleted for this particular session. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Map work is
Fine.
deleted.
Yes, बच्चे. Jay, you are saying something?
No, ma'am.
Raghav said something?
yes ma'am map work is deleted fully
No, map is not deleted, beta. Map will be there. Map will be there, okay?
okay ma'am
Then coming to the civics, democratic politics. Constitutional design, only the South Africa part has been deleted. Rest of the chapter is there as it is, okay? And there is one chapter, democratic rights, chapter 6 of the book, that has been completely deleted, okay? Is that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
And in
Yes, ma'am.
economics, food security in India, full chapter has been deleted.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Yeah.
Rest all the chapters.
Map work will come.
Map work will come for geography, beta. Whatever is there, in history
Ma'am,
also.
in history.
हाँ, of course it is. It will come. Today I'll be sharing a PDF with you for class 9th maps. Okay, history as well as geography. Right, class?
Okay.
Huh. Okay. Any other doubts regarding the syllabus deletion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All
No,
clear,
ma'am.
no? Okay, fine. Okay. Dhruv, are you there, beta? Dhruv, are you there in the class? Dhruv Sharma, can you hear me? Dhruv, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. You had asked for some questions, no? Dhruv,
Yes, ma'am.
which
That
question?
question that we have done in the.
Beta, which your voice is not clear, Dhruv. Can you write it in the chat box what exactly you want? Okay. By the time Dhruv is writing, do you all have history books
Ma'am,
with you?
I was talking about the question.
Which questions, beta?
Ma'am, the previous class.
Which previous class? The online class that we had.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can always go through the video recordings, no, that are there. Because I randomly ask you questions, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you can go through that video, whichever class you're talking about. I have always specified dates on my videos that I have. Okay. Do you
Yes,
all
ma'am.
have? Do you all have your history books with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a paragraph, part 1, page 61 of your book.
Yes, ma'am.
Open. There are
Yes.
few lines. There are few lines. I am reading out it for you. For this earth is not allotted to anyone, nor is it presented to anyone as a gift. Got these lines?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Section.
Ha.
Ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am,
Up,
please tell the chapter.
beta, chapter is Nazism and the rise of Hitler. Chapter 3. Got it? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी. Till population
Yes,
size.
ma'am.
Till population size, okay? Find out. Have you read the passage? Can anybody read the passage for me? Nana, Zainab?
ma'am, may I?
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay. Okay. Nana first.
For this, earth is not allotted to anyone, nor it is presented to anyone as a gift. It is awarded by providence to people who in their hearts have the courage to conquer it, the strength to preserve it, and the industry to put it the plow. The
Put it to the
primary
plow.
right of this world
Is the right
is
to
the
life.
right to life, so far as one possesses the strength for this. Hence, on the basis of this right, a vigorous nation will always find all the ways of adapting its territory to its
Nana, what happened?
Ma'am, read.
Okay, fine. Now there are some questions which are coming up. You need to answer. What is the source of this passage?
Ma'am, the secret book.
Ma'am, Hitler's secret book.
Ma'am,
Then
the
Hitler's
Hitler's
secret
secret
book.
book.
Very good. Hitler's secret book. Very good. Next
Ma'am,
is
secret book.
To whom, according to Hitler, this earth is awarded by providence?
Hmm.
To
And the
people who have the
people
courage to
have
conquer it
courage
and
To the
strength to
people
preserve
who
it.
have the courage to
Have the
conquer
courage
it
to
and the
conquer.
strength to preserve it.
ठीक है. To whom according to Hitler this earth is awarded by providence? To the people who have the courage to conquer it. Right?
Conquer it.
हाँ. Then
Yes, ma'am.
third question is, which is the primary right of the world according to Hitler?
Right to life.
right
Right
to
to
Ma'am,
life.
the right to
life.
life.
Very good. Right to life.
life.
Very good.
Life.
Very good. Then which type of nation will always find ways of adapting its territory to its population size?
A vigorous nation.
Grass
A
nation.
vigorous nation.
Vigorous
Very
A
good.
vigorous
A
nation.
vigorous nation. See, I want to clear one thing with you, children. Whatever is given in the passage, when you get passage based questions, extract based questions, you don't have to apply the knowledge that you have read in the book. You completely have to stick to the extract that is given in the question paper. I hope I am clear to this.
And these type of
Fine.
extract
Yes,
also
ma'am.
Yes, of course. Any because you have extract based questions also in the exams. So you may get any type of extract and you need to stick to the source that is given. You don't have to
and
think
ma'am
that
new
no, Beta Dhananjay, let me finish. You don't have to stick to that, ma'am. In the book, it was written like that. That is why I have written that. No such type of things should come. Whatever is given in the source, stick to the source. Unseen passages mein, what do you do? Whatever is available in the passage, you find answer from the passage and you answer the question, right?
yes ma'am.
That way, exactly. In exams also, if you get extract based questions, you have to completely stick to the extract that is given, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
will the extract be from what we read only, or it can be from out of the syllabus also?
No. Whatever is in the book, whatever is in the book. It can be a source also, it can be from the box also, it can
Okay,
be
ma'am.
from the regular chapter also. न्यू वर्ड्स ऑफ कोर्स धनंजय न्यू वर्ड्स भी आ सकते हैं डिफाइन करने के लिए आते हैं ना हो सकता है आपको एमसीक्यूज में आ जाए हो सकता है आपको
Okay.
वन वर्ड आंसर्स में आ जाए तो यू नीड टू बी थॉरो विद एवरीथिंग बच्चे राइट
Okay ma'am.
हाँ चलिए सेम चैप्टर पेज 68 सेम चैप्टर पेज 68
Yes ma'am.
in an
Yes,
address
ma'am.
to women Pavni got these lines
Yes, ma'am.
read out
Source E. In an address to women at the Nuremberg Party rally, 8 September 1934, Hitler said, "We do not consider it correct for the women to interfere in the world of the man in his main sphere. We consider it natural that these two worlds remain distinct. What the man gives in courage on the battlefield, the woman gives in eternal self-sacrifice, in eternal pain and suffering. Every child that women bring to the world is a battle waged for the existence of her people."
full stop now this is one extract sorry on the basis of the extract you have to give 4 value based points that show in Nazi Germany women were considered inferior to men. Any 4 value points that tells you that women were considered inferior in the Nazi Germany. Gargi is there in the class today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Will you answer this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell.
Ma'am, the points are first, women were not allowed to interfere in the world or work of man.
Very good.
Second,
Hmm.
it was considered two different worlds for women and man.
Very good.
And third,
Hmm.
it was said that man gives in courage on the battlefield, while women gives eternal self-sacrifice.
Hmm.
And quotes that every child that women bring to the battle is a
World is a battle.
And
Huh.
yes, ma'am.
Very good. These are the 4 value based points that show that Nazi Germany women were considered inferior to men. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now coming to the map. Do you people have the world map with you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, please wait.
Huh. This is a map
Ma'am, please
exercise. Waiting. This is a map exercise. Just listen to what I'm saying. This is a map exercise. In this exercise, what you have to do, you have to on the world map, political, you have to locate major countries of Second World War. On the world political map, locate the major countries of the Second World War. The Allies and the Axis, both you need to mark.
Ma'am, I'm not having a world map right now.
Do you know the countries that were part of the Allies and Axis?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how to do this? Shall I share a world political map with you on the groups? Can you send it on the groups
Yes,
answers?
ma'am.
Huh? Shall I share a?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm sharing a blank map with you people.
Ma'am, please repeat the question again.
You on the world political map, you have to mark the countries that were part of the Second World War. Right? Right?
X.
बोलो बच्चे.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ
Yes.
बोलो 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 बोलो. हाँ.
Ma'am,
Just give
Axis
me a
and
give me a moment so that I am able to open that blank map. हाँ धनंजय जी, आप क्या पूछ रहे थे बेटा? पूछो बच्चे.
Axis and Allies.
हाँ, एक्सेस एंड एलाइज ही तो है. ठीक है. एक मिनट. Where is it? ठीक है. ठीक है, got it. Okay, by the time the map is being shared on the groups, you tell me the names of the countries which were part of Second World War. Dhruv, can you tell?
Ma'am, in
Ma'am, may I?
Allies.
Ma'am, may I?
नहीं, एक मिनट रुको, ध्रुव 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 शर्मा. ध्रुव शर्मा.
May I?
हाँ जी धनंजय बताइए
मैं-
बच्चे, धनंजय बताइए बेटा.
Ma'am, Axis power are ma'am Japan, Germany, and Italy. And allies power ma'am UK, France, Russia, and USA.
Very good, very good. It is taking time, I don't know why. I think you all have got the maps now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes.
let us come to the objective questions. Okay, one word answers, right? When and by whom the Nazi party was formed? When and by whom the Nazi party was formed? Srishti Gautam is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ बेटा. When and by whom the Nazi party was formed? Anybody who knows in the class?
Ma'am, it was formed
It
by
was formed
Hitler.
on 24th February 1920.
1921.
Ma'am, it was
1921.
yes, ma'am.
And by whom?
Adolf Hitler.
By
Adolf Hitler.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am, by head of.
Adolf Hitler. Very good. Okay, next question is.
I think he renamed the party.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, like it was known as National Socialist German Party, but it came to be known as the Nazi Party.
Acha, so in which year it was renamed as Nazi Party?
Ma'am, it is not given in the book.
So whenever the national, because see, I think in the book it is given simultaneously in one sentence, same paragraph, one sentence it is given that, and then Nazi Party.
Ma'am, there are three names. Like first and the foremost was German Workers' Party. Then
Yes,
it got renamed to National Socialist German Workers' Party, and then at last it finally came to be known as the Nazi Party.
So when was this first German Workers' Party was formed?
Ma'am, 1990. 19.
1990.
No, ma'am.
बेटा ऐसा नहीं होगा,
In
बुक में दिया होगा.
1919, Hitler joined the party.
हाँ वही तो.
1990 joined the party.
हाँ रुको, 1921 रुको, just give me 1 second, let me see where in the book it is given. It is not given here. Chalo, so let us exempt this year part and let us put only one question. Who formed the Nazi Party? It was Hitler who formed the Nazi Party, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is a situation when prices rise extremely high called? A situation when prices rise extremely high. What is that situation called?
Hyperinflation.
Hyperinflation.
Very good. It is called hyperinflation. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. What was the secret police known as in Nazi Germany?
Gestapo.
Gestapo. Gestapo. Very good.
Gestapo.
Gestapo. Then, what was the Volkswagen? What was the Volkswagen?
It was the name
Ma'am,
of
it
a
was
company.
the car
हाँ
manufactured in
हाँ,
Germany.
it was people's car. Volkswagen का मतलब हुआ people's car.
Car.
Folk मतलब हाँ, folk मतलब people, and wagon is no, like car is also sometimes called as wagon also, right?
Ma'am,
Right?
this name is existing today also.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly, it is there, and it in the book also it is given Volkswagen people's car, right?
Ma'am, it is still there.
It is there. Many of the people in the countries are also using it, right? Okay. Then next is, what were the main objectives of the external policy of Nazi Germany? I repeat, what were the main objectives of the external policy of Nazi Germany?
Ma'am, to increase its boundaries so that it can occupy its population.
Ma'am, it was to increase its country's boundary to get more land or area to
Support
for
the
their
German.
people.
Very good, very good. Or in other words, we can say expansion, imperialism and militarism. ठीक है? Military strong करना था was one of the motive of the Nazi Germany. To expand the territories of the country, that was also the motive of the country, of the Nazi Germany, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next is, name the countries that entered into the Tripartite Pact. Name the countries that entered into the Tripartite Pact. Viresh will tell.
Germany, Italy, and Japan.
Germany, Italy, and
Ma'am,
Japan.
Italy, Japan,
Very
and
good,
Germany.
Jay. Very good, Jay. Very good. Next is, what were these concentration camps?
Ma'am, these camps were the place
These
where
camps-
Jews
Were
were
the
kept.
places where the Jews were deported and tortured.
Say where mass
हाँ.
killings were held.
The concentration camps were
Ma'am,
the
the
death camps. They were the death
where
camps
people
where
were
the
isolated.
which type of people? Jews. You have to specify, Naina, Jews only, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then, what was this Holocaust? Can anybody tell? Holocaust?
Ma'am, burning of the
Mass
Jews.
killing.
The
Ma'am,
Mass
it
killings
was
of Jews.
killing of Jews.
the mass murder of Jews
Ma'am,
was
mass killing of the Jews.
Came to be known as the Holocaust. Very good. Then next is, what words were used for the Jews' mass killings? Which words were used for the Jews?
Undesirable.
Disinfection.
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 What else?
Special treatment.
Special
selection,
treatment.
final
Very good.
solution.
Final solution. Very good. Very good, class.
Euthanasia.
Final.
Euthanasia also. Very good. Very good. Okay. Coming to the objective questions. Okay. On December 7, 1941, the US base at Pearl Harbor was attacked by which country?
Japan.
Japan. Very good.
Japan.
Very good. It was Japan. What is the name of the German parliament?
Reichstag.
Reichstag. What is the spelling of Reichstag? Anybody can spell it for me? Can any one of you?
Ma'am, REICHSTAG.
एक मिनट रुको. Aksada, are you there? Aksada?
Yes, ma'am.
स्पेल करो इसको. Reichstag को स्पेल करो. करो बेटा. Okay, Ujjwal has written REICHSTAG. Very good, Ujjwal. Very good. Very good. चलिए, next question is, Hitler formed armored volunteer corps which were known as?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
नहीं, ये रहने दो, ये आपकी बुक में नहीं है बेटा. छोड़ो.
Ma'am,
ये जो नाजिज्म था, नाजिज्म was the German version of? इटली में क्या चीज थी? मुसोलिनी ने क्या चीज शुरू करी थी इटली में?
डिक्टेटरशिप.
नहीं, डिक्टेटरशिप तो थी, उसके साथ उसने क्या करा था?
मास किलिंग.
नो, एक वर्ड यूज होता है उसके लिए. मुसोलिनी ने जो है, जैसे हिटलर ने नाजिज्म करा था, ऐसा इटली में क्या था?
Quizlet.
फासिज्म आपने पढ़ा होगा, हमने बताया होगा क्लास में आपको,
Yes, ma'am, you
है
told
ना?
us.
हाँ, तो नाजिज्म वाज द जर्मन वर्जन ऑफ फासिज्म, राइट?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए। अच्छा, you have to correct the statement. I am reading out a statement for you. There is some a word is wrong in that statement. You have to correct the statement. The statement is ghettos are the place of worship for people. हाँ जी, rectify the statement. Ghettos are the place of worship for people of Jewish faith. What is wrong in this?
Please,
Ma'am, ghettos.
Ma'am,
ghetto.
Ma'am,
ghettos.
synagogues.
हाँ, हाँ, in place of ghettos we will write synagogues.
Synagogues.
हाँ,
Ma'am, synagogues.
हाँ, can anybody spell it for me?
Ma'am, SYNA.
हाँ, yes, yes. SYNAGOGUES, synagogues, यही तो है ना? Am I not audible to you people? हाँ, very good, Srishti. SYNAGOGUE, synagogue. Then
And please repeat.
SYNAGOGUE, synagogue are the place of is the place of worship for people of Jewish faith.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. Next is a freight car used to deport dash to the death chamber
Jews.
where they were tortured and murdered, and this mass murder came to be known as the dash.
Ghettoization.
Ma'am, detail.
Very good, very good. Very good. It is the Jews and the Holocaust. Holocaust है ये. Ghettoization नहीं है बेटा. हाँ, this mass murder was known as the Holocaust. ठीक है? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Okay. Next is German children had to join junk folk at the age of
Ma'am, 18.
14.
Ma'am, at the age of 14.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Ma'am, it
Yes,
was
ma'am.
for
Yes, ma'am.
10 years
14.
old.
10 years old. Beta, junk folk was 10 years.
10 years.
हाँ,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
It-
and
Nazi
Nazi
youth
youth
organization
was
was there.
Nazi youth was at 14.